Hey YouTube. So I thought I would just unbox this. I got this yesterday. I thought I'd talk a little bit about how I got it. I went onto a website called stockinformer.com and you can enter your email address and it will notify you when stock becomes available. A lot of times they seem to be in small batches and they'll send you an email as soon as it becomes available. And a lot of times they sell out within 30 seconds to a couple minutes on these websites. But you can sign up for different things like Nintendo Switch and then the Nintendo Classic and Hatchimals I saw on there. But you just choose what you want. And I used my Gmail account because that's a push notification that comes straight to my phone as soon as an email is sent. My other email accounts, if I use it on my iPhone, they don't come immediately. Or if I use the mail app on my iPhone. So I did that and I bought this for retail price on GameStop.com. And it also came with this Miniboss wireless controller. I believe the system only comes with one controller, so this one came with an extra. It wasn't extra. I had to pay for it, but it was the retail price for both of these products. And then I also had to pay shipping and tax. I guess if you bought it in a brick and mortar store, you wouldn't have to pay shipping, but so I'll just show the box. I've never seen one. It looks really tiny. I didn't realize that until I looked at the box just a little bit yesterday. Actually, I only looked at the front of the box and saw the side. This side with the little hand holding it. I haven't opened this yet. So, this looks retro. I'm not going to open that, but I assume it's basic instructions and probably not necessary, just a throwback. So this is a controller. And it feels like the old controllers. That's a really short cord though. Oh wow. So that's the charge cord, or brick, I guess, for charging. Oh wow. Tiny. That's so funny. I should have brought my original NES in here to compare them. And then at the bottom of the box is just an HDMI cord and a USB and yeah, so all of the cords that you need. This doesn't open, I guess. So that really is tiny. Actually, I can go grab the other one. Be right back. So I couldn't find my original NES. This is one that was from a garage sale or something. But you can definitely see the size comparison of these and how small this other little system is. So that's pretty cool. I guess I'll open this other tiny controller. Good. So this isn't a Nintendo product. This is made by a different company, Nyko. So there it is. It's a little bit different. And then there's the adapter for the wireless. So it feels a little bit different, but it's about the same size. Yeah. Almost. Yeah, I imagine it would make it the same dimensions. The buttons are going to feel a little bit different, but it's kind of like a Super Nintendo, I guess, controller with that slant. So that's that. So again, that was Stock Informer that I used. Obviously, I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just thought I'd throw that out there. If anybody's interested in getting one and hasn't had any luck, it took like a week or two, and I got an email on stock that became available, and I used PayPal to buy it, so I wouldn't have to enter in all of my credit card information. I just signed in and clicked buy, and it was a pretty fast process. And I went on the website again a little while after, and they had already sold out, so I'm just playing with this controller. The buttons are definitely different, so you have the advantage of being able to sit wherever you want, but the controller feels a little bit different. It's very light though, and you're unencumbered by a tether, so that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.